Understanding a melting pot, diversity in unity. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often used in English, a melting pot. This term carries a lot of history and meaning, and it's a great example of how language can reflect culture and society. Let's explore what it means and how it's used. Stay tuned to enrich your English vocabulary and cultural understanding. The term, melting pot, originated in the United States, and it's often used to describe the country's unique blend of cultures, ethnicities, and nationalities. The idea is that, just like metals melted together to form a single alloy, individuals from diverse backgrounds come together to create a unified society. It's a metaphor for integration and harmonious coexistence. When you hear someone refer to a place as a melting pot, they're highlighting its diversity and the mixing of different cultural practices. It's a positive acknowledgement of how people from different walks of life can contribute to a community's richness and vibrancy. Let's see how a melting pot is used in sentences. New York City is a melting pot of cultures, with food, music, and art from all over the world. The classroom was a melting pot of ideas, where students from various backgrounds shared their perspectives. The melting pot concept isn't without its critiques. Some argue that it suggests everyone should assimilate into a single, dominant culture, which might lead to the loss of individual cultural identities. An alternative metaphor often mentioned is a salad bowl, where different cultures are mixed but remain distinct, like the ingredients in a salad. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, a melting pot, and what it represents. It's more than just a term, it's a reflection of society's ongoing conversation about identity and belonging. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language insights. Happy learning, and see you next time!